Mobee is officially going away, probably is gone by the time you see this video, and I was about to dust off my delivery and pizza bags and just accept that I was going to be a DoorDasher or an Uber Eats driver once again. In this video, I'm going to share with you the two apps that are currently super busy and keeping me out there doing store audits and display checks currently. The Mobee app is disappearing because simply the parent company for the app decided it wasn't worth it for them. That doesn't mean that these companies don't need the data that we were collecting. It doesn't mean that the store audit and display check side hustle is over. And when one app goes, another other apps will come around. This happened to me multiple times. I've been doing this type of work for like 8 years, and apps come and go. My favorite app was Easy Shift. I made the most on that one, and then it merged with Survey Merchandiser, and I don't really do that app. So these two apps are keeping me busy, and the first one is a brand new one. I only found out about it about a month ago, and I'm going to be doing videos for them. It's called He-Tail Retail, and it's pretty much the same thing where there'll be a list of stores that you have to go to in your area and then tasks that you have to do there. But the thing that is different between Mobee and Field Agent is instead of pictures, this one wants you to take videos. So you're going to walk with your phone and you're going to scan the aisle with your camera taking a video. Now, that's pretty much what I do when I take my Field Agent pictures. I walk sideways and scan it with my camera, but I'm pressing the photo button at every pallet or every 4-foot section. With He-Tail Retail, you just have to take a nice clear video of it. The other big difference is, at least now or in my area, the gigs pay a lot more. Like I did a $7 one, which was pretty much the same thing that I would have to do like a $2 or $3 Field Agent one, or just take a picture of a 4-sided display. Literally took a couple of minutes for $7. And there's some other ones that take a lot longer that are multiple aisles, like 10, 15, 20 aisles. But those ones pay like $15, $16, which is way more than Field Agent, way more than most of the Mobee gigs were. So He-Tail Retail is another app on my list of apps that I'm working with. Currently really busy. I have more in my area than I could do right now, so I am going to do them slowly, and I will be posting walkthroughs and tutorials on that app. The next app is one of the first apps I started with, still going strong. I'm about to cross over $10,000 total from this one app, and that is Field Agent. If you watched my channel before, you know that this is my favorite app. This app, it may seem slow in your area, or there may not seem like there are any jobs, depending on when you're watching this video. But the beginning of the month, the first couple of weeks, even today is the 18th of the month, and I did about 10 of them in less than 2 miles away. So if you're not getting jobs, or they're all saying that they are already taken, this just means that it's super competitive in most areas, so that by the time a job drops, someone else is already going to reserve it. But there are jobs. If you look at my history, you could see that I do so many of these, so many of them in one day. At Sam's Club today, there was 5, and then the Walmart across the street, there was 3. And it does ask you to take a lot of pictures. It does ask you to do a lot of stuff for the amount that it pays. But after you've done so many of these, it gets a lot easier, and you can take the pictures much faster. And if you want to see my full tutorial on how to complete Field Agent gigs fast and efficient so it's actually worth it, check out this video here and click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent and He-Tail Retail.